Make a great choice today with the 2011 Avalanche. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find audio, rear, audio headphone jacks, rear, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.